Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda from the National Open and Distance University, UNAD. And this is my English video tarea 4 oral production. The unfortunate moment on a suspension break. One afternoon after long we went out with my father in the motorcycle taxi to go shopping. Everything was going very well until we reached the break with where we had the war over is as I climbed upon the brake. I felt nervous and was shaking because it was moving, and it was high notice that I would strongly my father when working and frowned for a moment and then brought the railing to cross. Meanwhile, my father and the people witnessed the incident and laughed as I continued walking. I felt more relaxed and enjoyed the movement it produced. In the end, everyone was amazed and aircore me. It was an experience that I will never forget. Seeing that my dog looked fine and died regardless of unexpected death situation. Bye.